This is an introductory video to prerequisite task. So I already have my information selected. Here's the date, 7 a.m. Change this all the way down to, let's just say 11:30. In progress. We're gonna prep slab. Then we'll add another task. Make it in progress. Let me keep the same time. I'm going to change the date to the following day. This will be slab inspection. I'm going to change the crew. The crew is inspections. This is where I put all of my jobs that are scheduled for inspections on the appropriate day. Add another task. I'm going to go ahead and change it to there. Change the crew. And this will be pour slab. And then I want to add a prerequisite to this one. So it's going to be slab inspection. So basically, this task has to be completed before this job can go into in progress or completed. So it's a fail-safe to make sure you get your inspections or something that needs to be done prior to this job starting. So when you set a prerequisite task, it automatically sets it in pending. So I'm going to hit save. Collapse everything. So here are my prep slab for this crew, my slab inspection, and then here's my pour slab. You can see it's in a different color. It is in the pending status, and you cannot change it to any of these until this one has been completed. So once I hit complete, save, this one now can be moved to in progress or completed, however it works best for you. And now it is in progress and this one's completed. I hope this feature helps, and thank you for watching.